Thank you for joining us this morning. My name's Amy Farmer. I'm the Complex Director for the GM Manufacturing Operations here in Flint, Michigan. And I would say Happy Earth Day to you all. We're here today to celebrate and talk about environmental stewardship and how it relates to us in our business as well as the community in where we live. And if I could, first of all, I would like to introduce Dan Malone. Dan is the Consumer Energy Senior Vice President of Distribution and Customer Operations to make a few comments. Dan?
Thank you, Amy. I'd say first off, joining me here today is Tom Madden, our Director of Large Customer Value-Added Products, John Zambin, our Director of On-Site Engineering Group, John Ebenhoff, one of our on-site energy engineers, and Don Bosworth, also of one of our energy engineers. So it's a pleasure and a privilege to be here today to help celebrate this great energy-saving work that's happening at these General Motors plants. As you know, Consumers Energy has a long, proud history of working with Michigan's automakers. We've persevered and prospered together, enjoying the boom times and enduring the tough times. Through it all, we've supplied affordable, reliable energy, powered innovation, fueled production, and helped keep these cars rolling off the assembly lines. In recent years, our unique and special relationship has entered a new but equally important chapter, and that is in not only keeping the power flowing, but helping our customers save energy in both electricity and gas and save money. So you might ask, why does Consumers Energy that sells gas and electricity want our customers to be able to save on that? Well, the answer is really quite simple, is that we understand that energy efficiency is good for our state. It's the most effective and cost-efficient form of energy savings that we have. And what's good for our state and our customers, such as GM, is good for Consumers Energy. Energy efficiency is one of the greatest untapped sources of energy savings that we could have. Since 2008, we've created a new energy efficiency programs based on customer incentives aims to reduce annual use. And over the life of these programs, we expect our customers to save $2.5 billion on their energy bills. In addition to our energy savings programs, we have these on-site energy engineers that help these GM assembly plants bring these products to realization. All told, the projects that we're talking about today will have $926,000 in annual energy saving costs to General Motors. That translates to roughly enough electricity to power 700 homes for a year and to heat 540 homes throughout the entire winter. Finally, in recognition of Earth Day, the energy saved from these projects is equivalent to more than 8,100 tons of carbon being reduced from the environment. That is enough to offset the planting of 12,700 trees that would have to do that work to remove that much carbon dioxide. At Consumers Energy, we call this a great investment at any cost. That's why I'm thrilled to present these checks and in honor of forward-looking energy efficiency efforts. We're proud to do this. For the Flint Metal Center, we have a check for $32,917. And our second check goes to the Flint Assembly Operations. This is a little larger check and represents a cap. So they're doing more, but this is the cap on the program. Right here we have a check for $150,000.
Thank you, Dan. Energy, as we know it, is one aspect of our environmental stewardship, and it's been our privilege to be partnered with consumers throughout the course of this journey, and our commitment is that we will continue on that path. With that, I would like to introduce Al Hilder. Al is the GM Company Energy Manager, and I would like to invite him up to make a few remarks also. Al?
This is a great event and very appropriate for Earth Day, saving energy. Good part of my job is, we saw the money that was saved. We saved even additional monies to that, and very appreciative of Consumer Power for Consumers Energy Company for helping us with that. But the other good thing was mentioned is the environmental benefits of saving energy, and they go hand in hand. So we work those collectively. And to recognize plants that are high achievers, we developed an energy award, annual award for plants. We have about 45 plants in North America. and in two categories. One is kind of the mid-size assembly plants, the Flint Assembly Plant 1, and also the metal stamping plant. So I want to present those awards, but just want to talk briefly about the criteria for those. You know, the criteria we set was really continuous improvement. And that's one thing that the Flint Assembly and both the stamping plants really excelled in, and that was finding opportunities. You know, you saw the incentive checks that were presented today, one of the opportunities, and then just really an aggressive energy conservation program. So it takes a team to do that. Jim DeVilbus, Bob McConkey from our group, John Zambone from Consumers Energy, you know, they all kind of work together with everyone in the plant. So it really takes a lot of employee engagement to achieve this. So Amy, I'd like to present you with really two awards. First is the Flint Assembly Award. And the second one is for the Flint Metal Stamping Center. So congratulations to all these folks that helped and participated. Thank you very much.
The people who joined me up here for both the check presentation as well as the awards are some of the leaders of our team who keep us focused on our environmental initiatives, our energy initiatives, as they relate to the facility and the grounds and the air and everything it is that we're responsible for, and to the earth, which we are also responsible to. And I would like to thank them for everything that they do every day to keep us focused. Today is Earth Day. Some of them couldn't even be with us today because they're working with schools on projects that we have going to keep our community focused also on our community resources. So I would like to thank all of that team who really keeps us moving in the right direction. You guys do a great job for us. Okay, every day is Environmental Stewardship Responsibility Day. Today we celebrate Earth Day. It's our privilege to have you with us, and we hope to see you again next year. It was great to have you all here. Thank you for joining us.